Good morning. Today is Friday, June 12th, 2026. I am here at Doctor's Lake Marina, and this is an after labor and zinc install video for See You Later. We went ahead and put on new shaft zincs. One of the shaft zincs did seem a little more loose than the other. It could spin just by me twisting it. That could be the possibility for the vibration. I went ahead and tightened as much as I could on the prop nuts to see if that could happen, or if that had any real effect. They didn't really tighten too much. We went ahead and cleaned up, or I went ahead and cleaned up the running gear for you, just to where we can see everything. So let's go ahead and check it all out.